Hi guys, so I received this bathroom mirror for viewing purposes. I think it's really nice because you can turn it on with the touch buttons that comes in here, and you can change the temperature of it, which I think it's a really nice option. As you can see, to install it, you just place the base upon the wall and can get in there, and you have these spaces so you can pass through the cable when you are connected it. As you can see, it's a perfect space for the cable to go through, and you connected it. And well, let's see how it looks on our wall. We have already placed the base, but it's a really easy installation. Okay, so come on. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already placed it up on the wall. I think it looks amazing. It's really nice. As you can see, it's like floating upon the wall, which I think it's a nice design. And you can change the temperature of the light with this button. As you can see, I think it's really nice, and turn it off. And we also have this anti-fog function that when we turn it on, we can take a hot bath, and all the fog that comes out of the shower ain't gonna be pressed upon the mirror, which I think it's really nice, because that way you can just get out of the shower and look in the mirror without any fog, which I think it's really nice. Overall, it's an easy installation, just placing the base, and that's it. You can just hang it, and it's really nice having this option of the anti-fog and changing the temperature of the light that easily. I think it looks really nice, the image, and overall I would really recommend it. See you guys.